Today, we're going to talk about this thing called probate, which we'd really love to know. Has anyone gone through probate? What your questions are about it. We're going to go over it on a very high level and maybe we'll dig in deeper if people have more questions. So, Josh, tell us a little bit. I even asked you before we started this, what does probate even stand for?
Sure. So I guess we'll start there. What is probate? Essentially, after someone passes away, probate is the act of administering their estate through the clerk of court's office in the county where they passed away, where they were domiciled, where they lived. And that process is designed to determine who all the heirs are and how the assets should be split up. And then there's some filing fees with the courthouse as well. But that's just it in a nutshell. And we can dive in deeper, like you said, if people have questions on certain aspects of it. But I think the next question or the question that you opened with was what happens if you inherit a property?
Yeah.
Um, and the answer to that is probate, or typically is probate. Even though technically real estate is not considered a probate item, meaning it's not an item that needs to go through probate, it still needs to be probated to clear title in order to transfer clear title to any potential seller. So the steps that you have to go through in order to make that happen is you have to open the estate and then you have to run a notice to creditors for at least 4 weeks. Once those two steps have taken place, you now can sell the property with clear title. You don't even have to finish probating the estate. So it's important to understand that takes at least 4 to 5 weeks to get the estate open and get that notice to run for 4 weeks. So you want to take that into an account as far as what closing date you're looking at or when you want to list the property.
If I inherit some property from a family member, maybe I didn't even know that it was coming. What do I get? Like